dear lecturers. I am Mr. Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. Today's topic is very important. That's a homogeneous equation. In the previous video, I have already explained the angle between a pair of lines. And that pair of lines were simultaneous equation. That's a ax1 plus by1 plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Or you can say y equals to mnx plus c1 equals to 0 and y equals to m2x plus c2 equals to 0. But today's topic is homogeneous equation. That is homogeneous equation. What does it mean? Actually, homogeneous equation, just we write here ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared equals to 0. It's called homogeneous equation because we can see we have three terms and all the terms have degree 2. Here we can see ax squared, the power is 2. There is 2hxy, h is constant and xy variable. So power of x and y all together becomes 2. So it has also degree 2. And the next one we have by squared. So y squared, it has degree 2. So such type of equations are called homogeneous equation. For example, we write here x squared minus xy plus y squared equals 0. It's also homogeneous equation. 2x squared plus 3xy minus 4y squared equals 0. It is also homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation, such type of equation represents a pair of straight lines passing through origin. So we are going to prove one that's very important. That's one derivation. So the derivation is prove that the homogeneous equation ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared equals 0 always represents a pair of straight lines passing through origin. Right? So how to prove that? Let's we discuss on that topic. Okay, number 1, ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared equals to 0 always represents a pair of straight line lines passing through origin. So how to prove this? It's a derivation. So we have seen the definition of the homogeneous equation. Now very important topic is this homogeneous equation ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared equals to 0 always represents a pair of straight lines passing through origin. I am going to prove it. So first of all, we have to write here we have ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared equals to 0. Now we are going to divide both sides by x squared. So let's divide. So when we divide here, it becomes x squared by x squared plus 2hxy by x squared plus by squared by x squared. Of course, you can divide. Next one, we will have here a only. Let's divide both sides by b also. Okay, so we are going to divide here. So we can write here. Let's simplify it first of all. So we can write here a plus 1x will cancel up and down. So we have here 2hy by x and plus by squared by x squared. Of course, you can get. Now let's divide both sides by b as well. So when you divide, we can write here a by b plus 2hy by bx plus by squared by bx squared. So we have divided both sides by b. Now we see here b and b will cancel here. Just you can cut it. After that, let's write this term at first. So we can write y square by x square. This term I am writing at first, plus here we can write here 2h by b, and then y by x we can write. Let's we put inside the bracket, and then plus a by b we have at last. Now we can write here y by x whole square plus 2h by b y by x and plus a by b equals 0. Now have a look here. This is quadratic in y by x, right? So I think all of you know the meaning of quadratic equation. So if you know, then please write down in the comment box. I just want to see how many my dear students know the meaning of quadratic equation. So if it is just for example, I'm going to tell you here one more thing here. In the quadratic equation, actually here ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. It's quadratic equation, right? And when we have quadratic equation, there are two roots. So here roots means the value of x. Not to forget that roots means the value of x. So here it has two roots. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. That's the roots. It means if the power of x is 2, that's if the degree of the equation is 2, so there are two roots. So we can see here in this equation here also, we can see here y by x the power 2, y by x power 1, and here the power of y by x here in this term there is 1. So it is quadratic in y by x. So we can write here which is quadratic in y by x, right? It means what? It means y by x has two values, two roots. Okay, so which is quadratic in y by x? So y by x has two roots. Sure, we can let now m1 and m2. So m1 and m2 are the roots. Therefore, we can write y by x equals to m1, that's the first root, and then y by x equals to m2, that is second root. Now, when you do the cross multiplication here, then you can write y equals to m1x, and here y equals to m2x. Now you can see y equals to m1x, there is no constant. It is also y equals to m2x, there is no constant. So if there is no constant, it means the lines are passing through origin. One more example I am going to give here. If we have here x plus y equals to 0 only, or 2x minus 3y equals to 0 only, there is no constant. It means these lines are passing through origin. But if there is a constant, x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, or 2x minus 3y is equal to 10, anything, any constant you can take, then these two lines are not passing through origin. So here we can see y equals to m1x, there is no constant term. There is y equals to m2x, there is no constant term. So it proves that these lines are passing through origin. Okay, so we can write here which are the equation of lines passing through origin, that's proved. So I have already shown you how the homogeneous equation ax square plus 2xy plus by square equals 0 represents a pair of straight lines passing through origin. Now in the next video, I am going to show you the angle between the pair of straight lines. So not to forget to like, share, and if you are new in this video, in this channel, then not to forget to subscribe my channel because it's your channel. See you. Have a good time. Thank you.